Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Foliatec Be Different Spray Film Set. This is awesome. It's for your rims. And it contains one spray film set, and you have all what you need for four rims of your car. With the spray film set, rims are smooth and solvent-resistant. Accessory parts can be modified quick and easily. There's no need to substitute old or damaged rims. The spray film gives a new appearance to them, quick and easy. And this saves cash money. Just shake it well and spray it on. They will look in mint condition. You can use so many different colors, like blue, yellow, black, red, orange, white, pink, gray, black, matte, carbon gray, copper metallic, bronze metallic, gold metallic, anthracite metallic, silver metallic, etc. And of course you can use it with neon spray film. The neon spray film develops a particularly intensive illuminations thanks to the base coat provided. This also made it the perfect choice as a signal color for safety purposes. Very good opacity, high elastic, easy to handle, easy to remove. And this is awesome. You can have a protection surface over your brand new rims, for example, because it is able to remove it after a couple of times. Ideal for car, hobby, home and garden. The spray can also be applied upside down. Top efficiency, since you can spray the can empty. But if you like to use neon colors, only with the included base coat. Inside my set here, what I have walked, it's not neon. It is gray black. It contains 2 times 400 milliliters cans spray film, additional fan nozzle for broader and more even coverage when spraying larger surfaces, 25 cards for masking between the wheel rims and tires, 4 cleaning wipes for degreasing, and 1 pair of disposable protective gloves. And if you like to get the neon spray, there is the base coat on top. It means you have the 2 times spray film, the additional nozzle, the 25 cards, the 4 cleaning wipes, and 1 pair of disposable protective gloves, and on top 2 times of base coat. But it is a little bit expensive. So I am only using for my rims the main product, the spray film set. Okay, you can use additional optimal in combination with the spray film sealer for the permanent sealing of spray film. But this is another surface, another layer over this layer you will do with the spray film, and it is more money what you have to spend. So first step, you can use only the spray film set. Okay, that means how you can perform it. I will show you this on my rims, but later. In this case, I will give you only information, or you can learn by my voice. Remove the wheels, clean the rims, and degrease them with the enclosed cleaning wipes. Then place the enclosed cards between the wheel rims and the tires, and then carefully apply the spray film in one layer. Then do this on all 4 rims. Use only 2 in one. No, I can imagine there are 2 spray film cans. That means 1 for 2 wheels. So take 2 wheels and make the first layer over it after you clean all the rims, then you perform a little layer on 2 rims. First the first rim, then the second rim. Then you can go to the third and the fourth. Then you have a little small surface. And after this, take the next can and make a little bit thicker surface on top. And this is your finish surface. This is your finish layer, and let it dry out, and job's done. That it is. Approx 30 minutes after the last spraying, the spray film will be dry enough for you to remount the tires. That means if you are a fast guy, 1 hour, everything is done. Easy, isn't it? Easy peasy. And you have a protection, a sealant on top of your brand new tires, or you have little damaged tires or old tires or rusty tires. You can cover it up by using that kind of spray film. That is nice, isn't it? I will show you this in an extra video next year or in some month for you. Then you can see it step by step on my channel, okay? But now that is the unboxing and the instruction video about this product, and I'm looking forward to make this on my rims, because if it's now at my time, it's winter time. Don't use this spray film under 20 degrees Celsius, okay? That means it must be 20 degrees Celsius. The rims must be 20 degrees Celsius plus, and your nature has to be 20 degrees Celsius plus. Not under this this temperature, because you do not can use spray film under 20 degrees Celsius plus. So that it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. And you can see everything is in this set. You just need not other things. Okay, you have to remove your tires, so you need a little bit of tools, okay, but not for the action itself, because everything is on board in this set. Yeah, that it is. That looks like nice products, really nice. Okay, thanks, yeah. Soon, see you next time again.